Hi everyone, how are you all? I think all are you doing well? Most of the students, most of you enjoying the holidays. Yes or no? Some are very tired to enjoy the holidays. They like to come to school actually, but situations are not favorable to us. So that is why we are starting online classes. I am Christopher, a faculty of sciences. In this class, I will teach you the science lesson, chapter 1, the food we eat. So shall we start the lesson? Before starting the lesson, I am asking to get the things ready. What are the things ready? What are the things you need? Textbook, pad, pencil for writing, and you need one eraser also. If any mistakes you made, you have to erase. Eraser, book, pencil, eraser, pad. So get ready and we'll start the lesson. The food we eat. I think most of you are not eating in time. So if the schools are open, you will bring carriage, and every day at a particular time you will have to complete your lunch. But now you are at home. You will eat whenever you want. Even you are not ready to listen to your parents also. They will call you to eat, but you say, I am not hungry. I don't like to eat. I like this dish. That means this recipe, this curry. I like to eat this type of food. Like that you have so many requirements, desires. So children, why we have to eat? Because we need energy. So now you are growing. As a growing child, you have to eat regularly in time. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So every day you have to complete it in time, and you can do some exercise like playing games. This all gives energy to the body. So hereafter, follow the time. Eat regularly, eat sufficiently, don't eat too much, don't eat too less. It's not good for your health. This is my suggestion. So my dear students, in this lesson we will discuss the food we eat. The food we eat. After completing this lesson, what you will going to learn from this lesson? So let us see. So those who have textbooks, please open the textbook, chapter 1, the food we eat, and look into the textbook. Let us see what you will able to learn from this lesson. First one, you will be able to give examples of different food items and their ingredients. After completing this lesson, you will be able to give examples of different food items and their ingredients. Ingredients is nothing but materials required to prepare food. And the second thing, you will be able to ask questions to understand the different food sources. Food sources is nothing but from which we are getting food. For example, fruits we are getting from plants. This is a food source. Like that you will be able to understand. And third one, you will be able to explain the methods of food preparation and preservation. You will be able to explain the food preparation and preservation. And next one, you will be able to prepare and preserve food. So far, if you don't know how to prepare food, after completing the lesson, you will get some knowledge on the preparation of food. But don't try to prepare as your own. You have to take your parents' help. Okay, so you will be able to prepare, how to prepare and how to preserve food. And next one, appreciate different food sources. That means you will be able to understand the importance of food sources. And the last one, minimize the wastage of food. Minimize the wastage of food. These are the learning outcomes from this lesson. Now let us start the lesson. There is a small story about Kirtana. Kirtana and her brother Abhishek lives in a village. Kirtana and her brother Abhishek both lives in a small village. One day they went to an exhibition there. In their village, one day they went to an exhibition and they saw a variety of food stalls in the exhibition. So after watching all the food stalls, they liked some food items and they have some favorite food items also. So some of the favorite food items, their favorite food items, they bought and they ate it. They enjoyed a lot. So I think you also have some favorite food items. Everybody has some favorite food items. I too have some favorite food items. I like bitter gourd very much because it gives immunity power. Bitter gourd is bitter, okay, but it gives good health to us, but the taste is bitter. So I like bitter gourd. So like that, maybe you too have some favorite food items. Anyway, Kirtana and Abhishek, they bought some favorite food items, their favorite food items. Let us see what are the favorite food items. You observe and read the names of the food items. So in the diagram is there, you can read it. See the textbook and read the food items. Watch the picture and down there is a name. So let us see that. See page number 2. There are variety of food items given along with the pictures. Names also given there. You observe one. First one is, what is that? Rice. Yes. And second one is fish curry. Do you like fish curry? Yes, everybody likes. And third one, bamboo chicken. What is bamboo chicken? Chicken, after mixing all the ingredients, they will keep in the bamboo stick and cook. So this bamboo chicken, maybe some places it's a famous food, bamboo chicken. Ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes, most of them likes ice cream, but it's not good to eat always. And next one, sprouts. Sprouts is nothing but seeds. They sprouted. Malakettina ginjalu. Sprouts. And kheer. And vada. Vada. Next one, potikalu. What is this potikalu? Maybe you are not familiar with this, but some people knows very well potikalu. Is how to prepare potikalu means it's like one type of idli recipe, how they will prepare like that, but there is some variation in preparation. And next one is kiwi fruits. Maybe when you sick, most of the doctors will advise, when platelets go down, most of the doctors advise eat kiwi. So it's good for your health. And next one, potato sticks, chips, eating potato chips. Ragi sangati. Ragi sangati. Next one, rose milk. Rose milk. And next one, jackfruit. Next one, gulabi jam. Gulabi jam. And laddu. And apples. So these are the favorite. Kirtana and Abhishek, they bought in the exhibition. So now what you have to do? You have to observe that figures, that means that pictures carefully, and read the names, and in that list, do you like anything? Do you don't like anything? Or డూ యూ నెవర్ సీన్ ఎనీ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు చూడనివి, నీకు బాగా నచ్చినవి, నీవు ఆల్రెడీ తిన్నవి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా లిస్ట్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఆఫ్టర్ లిస్ట్ అవుట్ దట్ there is one small activity. So here is a table is there. Watch the table. Watch the book. Okay, let us see. So what is the table 1? Write the names of the above food items in the table given below. So while writing that, you have to keep in mind what are the columns given. First one, I like to eat. First column, I like to eat. So what are the food items you like to eat? You write down there. For example, I like to eat fish curry. Write there fish curry. I like to eat ice cream. You write there. So like that. And second one, I don't like to eat. I don't like to eat. So in that food items you don't like anything. For example, I don't like kheer. So write there. I don't like this sprouts. I don't like. Keep there. So like that, whatever the food items you don't like, keep in that second column. Right there. And the third one, I have never seen before. I have never seen before. That means you don't know that about food item. For example, pottekkalu. I don't know. I didn't see. If you think, right there. Rose milk, I don't know. Right there. So like that, whatever the food items you don't know, that means you have never seen, right in the third column. And the fourth column, I have never eat before. I have never eat before. I have never eat before. So that means what are the food items given there? If you do not eat anytime, you have to write there. For example, bamboo's chicken. Bamboo chicken. Chicken we eat. Bamboo chicken? Maybe, you may not. So write there. I did not eat bamboo chicken. So write only food name of the dish. So in that column, you have to fill. So we have to use a pencil or pen. This one doubt. Again. So you have to use pencil. Don't make dirty. So use a pencil and eraser. Write neatly with good handwriting. After coming to school, I will check. So this is the activity. So regarding this. And next one. And the next activity, activity 2, page number 3. Open the textbook. So there is a small activity, very small activity, very easy also. So what is that activity? Just yesterday you ate so many varieties of food items. Yes or no? So make a list. What are the food items you ate yesterday from morning to evening, including snacks, breakfast, lunch. Okay, all the items yesterday what do you eat that much only, not a whole year. Okay, yesterday what are the varieties of food items you ate? Write down. Okay, you ate, write down. And one more thing, you have to ask your friends what they ate yesterday. What they ate yesterday. That food items also collect and write in the table 2. So after writing that, we will have some questions. So table 2 is there. I will show. Okay. So in this, first you have to write what are the food items you ate yesterday. And second thing, what are the food items your friends ate yesterday. Then after observing that, we have some questions. Let us see that questions. I think you need time for writing this activity. Yes or no? So what to do? Pause the video, write down, then continue. So that is the thing. So that is the procedure. So because it's a video class, so when you want to complete the activity, just pause the video, complete your task, then start again. Okay. So now in the table, for your understanding, one person is given. Already Kirtana wrote whatever the food items she ate yesterday. What is that? Dosa and chutney. Kirtana given dosa and chutney. So Kirtana ate yesterday dosa and chutney. So like that you also write your one. Like that 4 friends names. Write 4 friends names and write what are the food items they ate yesterday. So now the questions, see first question. First question is, did all the students eat the same food? First thing is, you have to observe, did all the students eat same food? Maybe answer is no, because there is a varieties of food items. Whatever we eat yesterday, you may not. Whatever you eat yesterday, I may not. So some coincidence will be. Okay, some food items may be common, but not exactly same. And second question is, are there any common food items in the above list? Are there any common food items in the above list? Commonly. So maybe some food items are common, like rice. We eat rice, you eat rice, they eat rice, everybody eat rice. So rice is common, I think. Okay? In our state. Like that, some food items matches common. That one you have to identify. And the third question is, prepare a menu chart for 1 week. For 1 week, what are the food items you ate? So here is question, what are the food items supplied in the midday meals program in the school? So you prepare the menu chart. Menu, that means Monday, egg, Tuesday, some fruits, Wednesday, like that, including food items, separate menu is there. So like that you have to prepare menu. Monday, what are the food items given? Okay, Tuesday, what are the food items given? So like that, 1 week menu you have to prepare in the notebook. So this task you should complete in the notebook. Next, another one. We take different types of food items every day. Every day we take different types of food items. For example, today brinjal curry, tomorrow also brinjal curry, next day also brinjal curry. If it happens like this, how do you feel? Definitely you will fight with your mother, but don't fight. So if it happens also, you have to adjust. But it never happens in any house, because we will change the food. Curry, okay, curries will change. But what is common? Rice is common every day. Every day rice we will eat. Evening maybe sometimes we will eat something else, chapati, like that. Okay, so on the special occasions like birthdays, marriage parties, this parties, that parties, we will eat different types of food items. But some common food items like rice, dal, vegetables, these are all common. So any curry we will use some vegetables. Every day some people use dal. So rice is common. These are the common food items we will eat every day. So on special occasions we will eat varieties of food. What are the food items made up of? What are the food items made of? Do you know that? So let us discuss this one in the next class. Now I want to say something important for you. So before completing the lesson, we have something important and interesting thing. Let us see that. See, do you know World Food Day is celebrated every year across the world on 16th October, coming month. 16th October, World Food Day over all the world. Okay, it is an annual celebration in the honor of founding the date. Okay, founding date of the FAO. So that 16th October is the founding date of FAO. What is FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization. Food and Agriculture Organization. FAO means Food and Agriculture Organization. So this FAO launched by the United Nations in the year 1945. The aim of celebration of this day is to promote worldwide awareness and action force those who suffer from hunger and for the need to ensure food security and nutritious diets for all. World Food Day adopts a different theme each year. So this is the interesting thing. So it is in the textbook. You read it again. So in that some important points are there. That one you have to note down, underline with a pencil. So FAO and on which date we are celebrating World Food Day. These are the things you have to underline. So students, you have understand something about food. So we have discussed and completed the activities. So now home task. What is the home task? Already so many activities we have completed. What are the activities completed? In textbook itself, tables are there. Complete the tables with pencil. Those who completed the tables, take the picture and send me through the WhatsApp. So I will check how many are completed. So we will meet again in the next class. Thank you.